The request list is the central space for managing requests in Hornbill Service Manager. It brings together all the requests you have access to, giving service desk teams one place to view and manage their workload. In this video, we'll explore the different ways you can navigate, filter, customize, and organize the request list to suit how you work. And with so much information available in one place, being able to quickly find the right requests is essential. And there are several ways to navigate the list. The first is the filter box. You can enter a request ID or other request attributes here to quickly narrow down the list and find relevant requests. For more precise searches, you can use the advanced filter. This allows you to build and combine conditions to create specific search criteria and return exactly the requests you need. You can also filter requests by status, showing only the requests that are currently in a particular state. Alongside this, requests can be filtered by type. You can choose to view specific request types, each identified here by its own icon, or you can view all request types together. The drop-down also allows you to group requests in different ways, including by assigned team, your relationship to a request, or the services supported by your teams. The columns displayed in the list can also be customized, allowing you to choose which information appears and ensure the list shows the details that are most relevant to you. Request list views allow you to define and store different views of the requests available to you. Each view saves its own filter criteria, effectively acting as a kind of real-time report, without needing to rebuild the same filters every time you visit it. The toolbar displays both your personal views and any views that have been shared with you. The data behind a shared view can also be turned into charts for use in a dashboard. The My Dashboards button displays the charts created from your saved views, allowing you to move from a working request list into a visual representation of the data behind it. The Export List option allows you to export your current view to a CSV file. And when exporting, you can choose the columns you want to include before downloading the file. The list also includes a refresh option. The request list automatically updates at an interval that each user can configure, but refresh allows you to manually pull in the latest requests whenever needed, ensuring that you're always working with the most up-to-date information. Finally, using this button, requests can be raised without having to leave the request list, or you can choose a specific request type from the drop-down to do this. So the request list gives every user a flexible way to work with requests, providing one central view that can be filtered, saved, customized, and organized around the way each person works.